Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The ones that are competitively, which are the ones that are not. The ones that are not, you see. Because
Yakamet jong kisan ngun ki bayap hakapung hakasnong lapalang la seda ka kunhun jong state disaster response team but yakamet jong baro san ngun la Pynkit Neigrhims bande yaka post mortem kajing tokit binia halo kajing yap jongki kala sedang.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, pull. Yes. 1, 2, 3, pull. 1, 2, 3, pull. 1, 2, 3, pull. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, pull. Yes, very good. Yes, 1, 2, 3, pull.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.